Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to back up the calendar on your Android mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to back up the calendar on your Android, you just need to download the Super Backup and Restore application from the Play Store. As you download it, you just open the application. It will look like this. You just need to click on the calendar option here. So there will be three options here. There's a lot of options here. Just click on the backup all option, and it will be, you can see the download folder. You can just choose the folder, or you can create the folder, and you just need to click this. I also show how to create a folder, or how to select the folder that you just need to show this, and click on the OK option, which will back up your calendar data. And if you just need to restore, click on this restore option, and just you can see it's open to the directly open to the SMS content backup to the calendar folder. There will be a lot of folder because there is a lot of options. You just need to open this calendar folder and click on this file, and you can just easily restore this. And this is how it's work. So, and you can just click on the status option, and you can just click on the setting option. Here you can just change the backup path option or folder option. So this is how it's work. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.